Hi, this is Mr. Warren. This is a video about how to do handwriting assignments. For the purpose of this video, we're just going to use the third grade language arts section class, but you could go into any of these classes, third, fourth, fifth, or sixth. They're all very much the same. So I'm just going to open up the one in third grade though, and we are in the fourth quarter right now while I'm making this video, so that's the folder we would open. And when you open up these folders, of course, the very bottom one is the one that we're on, so that's the one I'm going to go to for right now. And when we open that up, we can see there's all these different assignments, but one of them is called handwriting. We're going to go into our week 13 handwriting, which is the week we're on, and we can see that it talks about, here's a quote, and we're supposed to be copying it. You don't have to do the one in cursive and the one that's just in printing, but you're to choose one that you're able to do. And so if you're really pretty good at cursive, I'd like you to do the one in cursive. If you're really struggling with cursive, then you can do this one down at the bottom where it's in the print form. However, whichever one you choose, I still want you to do at least your first name in cursive. Do your very best. And I know that's hard if you've never done cursive. And so here's a link I have. You might not be familiar with cursive, and it shows you how to make the different letters. First, it shows you the lowercase, and as you scroll down, it shows you how to make the uppercase. So you would have to find the letters of your name, and then you can see how to make each of the different letters. All right. We're going to go back to that handwriting page, and we can see that we're supposed to do that. And what I would want you to do is on a piece of lined paper, unless you're really good at cursive, I would always use lined paper. In fact, even if you were good at cursive, I still think the lines just help because this is practice at making letters. Use paper that's lined. I think that's great. Remember, make sure you have your name on it, and then you're going to copy it. When you copy it, it needs to have the quote signs in it. It needs to have the person that said the quote. And then after you've got it all done and you're ready to turn it in, what you can do is up at the top, it'll say my document, okay? And down on my page, it looks a little bit different because I'm the teacher, but it's the same button. You can click on that link where it says my document, and it'll open up a place where you can turn in your writing. This is one way to do it. You can come over to, after it's all done, go up to where it says insert, click on it, and you can see it says image. Slide over to the right and drop down to where it says camera. Click on that. When it does, it'll show you, there I am. Take your writing, and you can look at your computer screen, get it centered the best that you can. You can see it. And then just click the camera button right there. There it is. And you can say insert. If you look down on your paper, there it is. You can see there's Mr. Warren, says third grade, all of that. And then on yours, it'll say submit. I know on my screen it doesn't say that. It's because I'm a teacher, but you could do it that way. That's one way. The other way that you could do that is you could just take a picture of it with your cell phone, and you could attach it to an email and send it in. But I think this is a pretty neat way of doing it. And so if you want to do it this way, you can just remember, you come over to where it says insert. You can go to where it says image, drop down to where it says camera, and when it does the camera, hold your writing up, and it's a little bit harder to see sometimes, but with a little practice, you're going to get very well. All right, well, if you have any other questions about handwriting, please contact me.